This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a color image to black and white using the free Gimp software. First thing you have to do is open up Gimp, of course. Then you will need to import your image. You can either go to File, Open, and then find your image on your computer. Or you can, like in my case, I've got a folder open here with my image on it, my image in it. I'm just going to drag and drop. And now to convert this image to black and white, all you need to do is make sure you're on the Move tool. That's the little cross. Make sure you're on that. Make sure you got your image selected. Then you want to go up to the Image tab. Click on the Image tab, down to where it says Mode, and then over to where it says Greyscale. Click on Greyscale. Now you have converted the image to black and white. And if you'd like to export this image as a black and white image, all you do is go up to File, down to Export As, and then you would click Export. Then you click Export again on this dialog box. Now I'll go back to my folder, and there's my color image and my black and white image. There's the black and white image I just created. If you wanted to change the file extension from like JPEG to PNG or whatever it may be, all you do is go up to File, down to Export As again, and then you want to click on the where it says Select File Type, and it gives you a whole list of file types that you can select from. You just look off to the left here for the file type. Like if you're looking for JPEG, there's it's in alphabetical order. There's JPEG right there, and there's PNG right there. I think I just saved that as a PNG, so I'll resave it another one as a JPEG here. I clicked on JPEG. Now I'll click Export. Export again. Now I saved one as a PNG and one as a JPEG. That's all you do. Thanks for watching.